How to enable auto download of PDF instead of opening in Chrome. Hey everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Settings. Click on Settings. In Settings, click on Privacy and Security, which is located on the left side of your screen. Scroll all the way down till you find Site Settings. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Additional Content Settings. In here, you'll find PDF documents. Make sure there is .in download PDFs and you're good to go. That's how you enable auto download of PDF instead of opening in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below.